going on, YouTube? It's a little later in the day for me to do this video, but appreciate you guys for jumping on. I'm going to do a little Monday morning overlook here on what we've got happening on my watch list. Kind of resembles Friday, actually. It's a lot of red, big red day so far, which is kind of a bummer. I'm out here on the East Coast, so it's kind of rainy and drab. And this stock watch list looks a lot like I expect that to go up. Churchill will probably go up a good bit this week. They've got merger news, which we already knew was happening, so that's not anything new. I am not invested in CCIV at all. I kind of was late to that party. You could probably get in on that one. You know, analysts are putting that at $80 to $100 a share with the Lucid Motors deal. GameStop last week going up and down 10, 15% daily. Let's see, the Carnival's going up a little bit. We got some that are slowly starting to pull out of the bottom, which is good. And then a lot of the ones that I normally watch are still kind of bearish in the red. The weed stocks are still down. There hasn't really been any movement on them much at all. I'm still invested in Tilray. Tilray percent. That would have been a good time to average into that. We look at our let's look at a 30-minute here. Just kind of explode this a little bit. See where we're looking at here. I mean, it is priming up for a rise. We're definitely looking toward the side on Tilray. I think it's just going to be a little bit of a slower move than the volatile market we've had lately. I also am going to put a video here of crypto that I have on my app there. Let's see if we can pull this one up. Ethereum, all the crypto is down today. A good bit of it was definitely this last week, almost 2,000. It was 1977. So this is a good entry point to get in. I don't know what this little dip there is. That's kind of crazy. But this is a good entry point here at 1,700. I bought in this morning when it was down about 10%. I'm going to ride that wave up and get a little profit on that one today as well. What's going on here with my screen? It's a little screen point is down, which is kind of wild that Bitcoin fluctuates so much. It was 58,000, now it's 53,000. Dogecoin's down, so we've got some big movers. Today is a great day if you're just getting into crypto to just go ahead and jump in and get your feet wet, because all of these are solid dips to get started. So, you know, red days were kind of a bummer, but just hold tight. Remember, you're not losing money until you sell for a loss, and keep that in mind. But today's a good day if you want to throw something into the pot. And pretty consistent on its price point. Last, I don't know, week or so, it's been kind of hovering in that area. I mean, we've had not that long ago, for sure, in the 2,000 mark. So if I hold on to this for a day or two, I'll probably see that again.
Hey, what's going on? FedEx around?
Next.
126. Yeah, there's no street number on it. Appreciate it.
All right. So if you're looking to make some plays, I think AMC is still risky. I think it's going to go up and down and back into that 570 range. I think been following Neo much, but theirs has been floating at 50 for a while. Tilray, I think Tilray is still a solid prime for 33 this week. I'm just going to hold on to my shares on Tilray. If there's anything else you guys want interesting me to look at on the video, where I'm at. My puts and calls are kind of still tanking at the moment on Tilray. I'd like there to be some more action on it. You know, I was hoping a real low, and I would just average in some more. I think if Tilray does hit 26.0, I'll probably buy some more this week. If for some reason it decides to go down that far, If not, I'm just going to keep my position. I don't really need to average down any less than that. I'm just going to kind of hang tight. So let me know what you guys are into over there. I'm always curious to find out what everybody else is investing in, how much money they're throwing at it, what these are. Like to talk about those for sure. And it's like every day you see somebody pop up with a new stock that they're watching that just kind of exploded. I like to watch some of these guys too. And this isn't even really a top gainers, and let's go 1 day. We've got some pretty decent movers today on some smaller penny stocks for sure. Pretty good moves. Not too bad. But got some other stuff today. Got some apparel to make. Got some other stuff to work on. This is just one of the many things that I get myself into. So if you like, I'm going to probably check back in the app and do another little live and see kind of what the market's looking like. I mean, we're getting more green on the watch list, so that's a plus. That things are starting to somewhat turn around. I usually like to look at this maybe in a 2 minute or a 5 minute and kind of keep my eye on that and see what it's looking like. But sometimes our days start off like this and it looks like a bull flag, and then it ends up just kind of trading sideways. So here's hoping we're not going sideways today and we all can make a little bit of money. Remember, if you were just to throw in, bucks or $500, when it's down 8% and it moves up to down 3%, that's still 5% gain. So just because it's red, can always make a couple bucks on those red days. They're always good entry points. And get out there and make some money, man. I hope you guys are doing well out there. World's a crazy place. Let's just try to keep a piece of it sane, happy, and positive. I'll catch you guys later.